Okay, today I'm going to do a little video kind of for the people who are complaining that they have no idea what double helix energy flow is, because my videos are now advanced to a point where I don't really mention how it's done anymore, because, well, you should have been watching from the beginning really, because it's fully explained throughout. So here we go. This is my atom construction. Started out with the figure 8, broke it down into what it actually looks like, which is two tornadoes inside each other, one travelling downwards counterclockwise, and then an AC change in electrical energy causing it to then rotate clockwise and upwards. And now, because, well, it was easy, I'm going to show how this is electrical flow down a wire, and then I'm going to show that it is the travel of magnetism and electromagnetism, and yeah, the evidence speaks for itself. So this is double helix energy travel. It's like a bent over spring crushed together to form a double helix, clockwise going up and anti-clockwise going down. So I'm going to mimic a wire here, and I'm going to put them all in a line, and you're going to see that it mimics electricity flow down a line. Then I'm going to show you a video of electricity put through a magnet, and you will see exactly what you see on screen. So how does electricity work? Here's how it works. And why does it have a perpendicular twist running along around it? And why does it look like that magnetic field up there, where suddenly you get a magnetic field halfway along the wire? Well, as energy shoots forward, just like in smoke, the energy, because of differing voltage levels around the planet and everything else, it shoots forward, and the tip rolls backwards into a spiral ring. And then the energy shoots through that. It's always constantly going forward, and it keeps going pop, 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 and behind it dropping rings. And they're all opposite rotation to the last one, because it comes out one direction like a plant, clockwise left, anti-clockwise right, then clockwise, then counterclockwise. That's how plants grow as well, because that's how energy moves forward. It has to. So that's how you get the rings. It's like a smoke ring. It moves forward and then it rolls back on itself, moves forward, rolls back on itself. So it looks just like that strip of atom rotations that I have there. This also explains this theory that it rolls into a smoke ring. It also explains why every tree or branch has a knuckle ring around every split, because there is, isn't there? If you go out and have a look at a tree, every time there's a change in direction, there's a knuckle there. Thanks very much. So that's the explanation for that. And now we're going to see electricity put through a magnet underwater to show rotational travel of a magnetic field. So what you're about to see is input electricity through this magnet, and you will see a counterclockwise rotation on the outside, and in the center you will see a clockwise rotation. There's the anti-clockwise, and then you'll see a very thin clockwise rotation form in the center. And the reason that the tornado is in the center is because it's going clockwise, which is matter up. Energy can travel both ways, but matter doesn't want to. So going up is clockwise matter, and it always forms a really perfect tornado, because water tips down counterclockwise. So trying to force water or anything up counterclockwise, any matter doesn't like it. And as you can see, it's fighting it to try and turn clockwise, because the energy is going counterclockwise, clockwise at the same time, because it's going up. But because it's actually a counterclockwise rotation, it's going against the laws of nature that God put in place. And so it destroys itself and turns into a clockwise rotation. But you can see a perfectly formed clockwise rotation in there, because matter up is clockwise and matter down is anti-clockwise. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian.